go. Back to Catalina Island. And we're off. See you on Catalina. I picked up a burrito from my local Mexican spot and brought it to eat for dinner tonight. Now seems like as good a time as any. Carnitas.
Once again, walk course to Bangladesh, an hour and 15 minutes over to Avalon and enjoy a ride.
Bye, mainland. And we're off. I'll give you a real update in a few minutes after I get onto the trail from here, from the pier. Welcome to Catalina Island. I made it to Catalina Island. Hey, hey. And welcome back to another video. I'm hiking the Catalina Trail. It is, oh, and I'm doing it backwards due to campsite availability, but it's a total of about 38.5 miles, I believe. It's going to be a 4-day and 3-night trek, but I will be walking this first bit in the dark. I wasn't able to make it on the early boat this morning, so I had to take the evening boat, which is why I'm here now. And I have about an hour of daylight left and 7 miles to get to the campsite. So, you know, I'll record a little bit, but we won't really be able to see much because we're on the east side of the island here and the sunset's in the west. So I will show you the most beautiful sights of this journey, but this is Two Harbors, the city. On Catalina Island, there's 2 cities. This is Two Harbors, and then Avalon is where the end point of, or the start point of this trail is, but for me, it will be the end point. I'm gonna take a quick break here now that I've arrived, and then I'll do my 7-mile walk. That right there is Lion's Head, which is just shy of halfway. I just have to wrap around this cove. As soon as I get over there, I think I'm gonna take another break and relax for a few minutes while there's still some daylight. I'm not gonna really miss much. All the views are kind of the same from anywhere on this 7-mile section of trail. I do find it pretty crazy that there's absolutely no wind. Time for me to take a nice little break. So this right here is like the Palos Verdes area. That's like Long Beach where and San Pedro where I came from. And then over here is Santa Monica. And then this would be like the Palisades right here. There's the moon rising. Walking on trails at night is like truly an obstacle course because you never know when you're gonna encounter a rock or like a step or a ravine. This one's pretty nicely done, but every once in a while you get something that surprises you. And I have arrived. This is Parsons Landing. You'll get a better view of it in the morning. My campsite is over there in the corner. I'm gonna pop up my tent right here. And the sunrise should be right there tomorrow. I have a few options to choose from. There's nobody here. I think I have this place all to myself, but there was one other site booked. I just don't see them. Done. All set. Time for bed. Good night. See you tomorrow.